You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love.
Come on! It's a great occasion!
Stand up!
Join the celebration! Happy birthday to you! May your dreams live! Come on! Join the celebration! Happy birthday to you! May your dreams this year come true! From your friends and stuff to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
How wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
But they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't.
Why? Oh, you open your own YouTube channel. You Kujala YouTube. I'm blown. I never told. Thank you, long ago. Kitchen. Ah, come on. Give me more like I'll cook a food and give it.
Hi. I haven't done this in a long time. Guys, when I tell you that there's 2 vlogs that I shot a vlog, I deleted it around the time of my birthday. After my birthday was on the 20th of July. After my birthday, I shot another vlog and I deleted it. Anyway, and I didn't greet. Oh my gosh. I started this vlog, I didn't say anything. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to the channel, hey, what's good? In this channel, I share financial content, lifestyle content. I do vlogs, hey, fashion, hey, a lot of things. Anything that we can do, we are doing it until we find our feet. So please do subscribe and turn on your post notifications join the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back by. I love and I appreciate you guys so much. I haven't forgot the intro. Anyway, like I said, it was my birthday on the 20th. Gifts. Let's unbox. And can I tell you, I never got to unbox these since today is Friday, the 15th of August, and I'm writing in an hour or two. I think the time now is 2:30. I'm writing 16:40. I'm blabbing a lot. I want to unbox. I have some things I want to unbox with you. We're gonna start off with this one. Some of these things are not birthday gifts, and I'll explain as we go. This is a birthday gift that I got from my friend Kinelwe. Happy birthday, Nelly, with a beautiful, cute hat. There was all the chocolate gum. There were Ferrero Rocher chocolates, and I devoured them. Finally, I can unbox and use my gift. Thank you so much, Kinelwe. I appreciate. Look, guys, I got this watch. It looks so, and I love the fact that she got it in black. Thank God. The way I'm about to literally have this watch as my personality. Everywhere I go, you'll find me wearing this watch. I love it. Like, it's a casual, everyday watch. Wait, I'm going to wear this everywhere I go. And then, oh, guys, I actually never got to see this. I've never owned anything like this. I'm not big on jewelry, but trust me, I'm gonna wear this all the freaking time. Well, not all the freaking time, but you get what I'm saying. Oh, my nails. I cut off my nails because, yeah. So, okay. She got this from a big sound. Guys, I actually never got to look at this. Girl, I hope she watches this and she knows how much I appreciate. Like, the day that she came in to give me the gift, when she left, I came back to cry. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. And I'm gonna keep this forever, especially this, guys. Me and handwritten notes. And then we have this from a very good friend. At this point, we're more than friend. Nintendo is like my, you get here. Well, there's nothing because I finished everything that was in here. I had chocolates and I devoured them. This was from Tendo. Thank you so much, Tendo. I got this from Kamo. I'm gonna show you. I got this from Kamo. Got me this scented candle. Smells like a clean home. Reminds me of Saturdays when I just finished cleaning with my mom, and we used like the tile polish, the lavender one. We used Mr. Mean. Reminds me of that. It smells really good. And how pretty is she? I hope you guys are seeing this. Yo, I'd be so bummed to get on a phone to find out that it's not recording. But yeah, I got this. How beautiful. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. I'm not even ready to use it yet. But I really love it. Aromatic candle. Perfumed Life. The Perfume Collection by Rachel Mc. Hey, what's going designer? What? And then I got this, and guys, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if this is a perfume or a body spritzer or I don't know, I'm not sure, but it smells too good. It smells too good. So until I'm not gonna use it until I find out what it is. What if it's a room spray? It smells clean, it smells fresh, it smells like you just took a shower and you smell good. Man, what is this thing? Because it's written, is it cook perfume vaporistor? I think this is a room something. This one. Anyway, I got this. This is also a birthday gift, by the way. That came very late. And then as part of this, so on my birthday, this I got after my birthday. So I went to return this. I went to Mall of the North. I vlogged when I went to the fix. I had initially he had gotten me another denim skirt, but it didn't fit and I can't find the size anyway. This, and he also got me a leather jacket. Thank you so much, Kamu. I had a Shein order that I had already opened. Sorry, but I got these shoes. Guys, I bought these. Like, this Shein order was for gym, but tell me why I haven't been to gym in a week. Today's Friday. I never went to the gym this week. But anyway, I got these. I got a size 4.5. They are big because I'm a size 4. I can still make it puppy shaking. Oh, I love these. Oh, I'm gonna get them in all the colors. Oh, I'm about to go get them in all colors available. I got these for gym. Everything I got here was for gym, but these, I think I'm gonna wear them more than the gym. I'm gonna wear them every party, every funeral, every wedding, every class, every gym session. You'll find me in these. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's the unboxing. Let me eat, bath, and then I'm gonna go right. I don't know if this is where the vlog ends, because I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything tomorrow. And if you've made it until this far, please leave a red heart emoji in the comment, and please make sure that you're subscribed and you hit the notification. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is a Friday. No, huh? Today is a Saturday. Yes, today's a Saturday. Yesterday was a Friday. I was writing and all of that. I just came back from campus because I wanted to go shoot something that I didn't shoot because campus is, there's a bash today. So and my social anxiety would never let me. And whatever, social anxiety is such a scam because trust and believe, nobody's looking at you. Like I said, there's a bash today. So the up and down that people are doing, people are preparing, people are just minding their own business. You talking to your phone on a tripod, people will look at you and then go on with their lives. Social anxiety is a scam. It's not there, it's not real. It's projecting things that are not real. It is not there. Anyway, it won. It always wins. I passed by Emma Kuleni and I want to show you what I got. Why keep that up what I got? So firstly, I got Kirakile Blaisel. I took my clothes to the laundry last week. My clothes smell so bad. So I'm going to redo all my laundry. Plus, I had not taken the white stuff. I'm just going to wash the white stuff. Plus the ones that I had already taken to the laundry. Smells so bad. Anyway, I got Blaisel for like 10 bags. And I gave to about 25 rand. Actually, guys, I never vlogged when I got a wig. I got a synthetic wig. Remember at the beginning of the video, I told you that there's 2 vlogs that I deleted. Yeah. One of them was unboxing that Shein synthetic wig. So I got a melting spray. This is not my first time dealing with the hair. I've installed it twice. I will put a video here of my first ever installation that was too good. I got this melting spray. I hope it works. And I got these. I wanted the rectal comb, but I could not find it, so I just got this combo. And then I got a tweezer because I want to do DIY lashes. I want to learn. And then I got these. These are so many. Yo, I got these to brush up the lashes. And then I made the most bravest thing ever in my life. I got this hair bonding glue. This is scaring me. I hope my eyes don't. Yeah. These are the lashes that I'm gonna use. I bought these a long time ago. Yo, I think was it March or April? Was it even this year or last year? I think it was I got these last year, September, I think. I got these last year. So I got these from Blinkell. I'm gonna so let me do the lashes, and then I'll show you, and then we can close off the vlog. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, share the video, and let's be friends on other social media platforms. Guys, the lashes I will try some other time now. So because the lashes flopped and I wanted to wash my wig, I'm just gonna install it. Yeah, I'm bored. I think you can tell. This is a synthetic wig I got from Shein. So I've been learning how to install and stuff. One thing about a synthetic wig, it will shed, papa. It will shed. I wanna try edges. I've never done edges. Let me put it on. I think I forgot how I do this thing. Because what it is so. So I think this you could also wear as like a glueless wig. Right? Hey, and I did not cut the lace correctly. Now there's no lace to work with. Yo. Let me see what to do. Okay, I think now I can paste it because I do not want to wear it as clueless. I want to paste it down. So this is me before I glue down the hair. This is what it's giving. I went to Mall of the North to buy an adapter at Pep, and they gave me this. And now the Pep here at TEF, they want to take it. I have to go back to Mall of the North. Guys, space. Anyway, I'm done installing the hair. Today I even did edges. I am going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and join the family, and leave a comment down below, like all the nice stuff. Yeah, this is a Shein synthetic wig. I got it from Shein. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.